Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about drones, and I am still a beginner drone operator in some things that really helped me when I did start flying and I would like to share to other beginners. First is to charge everything. You need to charge the controller as well as the drone batteries. Another point that really helped me when I was beginning is to turn the controller onto cinematic mode. It says Cine, Normal, and Sport. This is really helpful because it slows down the drone's acceleration and movements, making it so much easier to control. Another really good tip is to choose your launch site carefully. One thing to think ahead about with your launch site is if something happens where your batteries die unexpectedly or there's a bad connection between the controller and the drone, your drone is automatically going to fly back to the spot where it launched from. So you want to ensure that your drone will be able to autonomously get back to this launch site if needed. So my fourth tip is to take it slow. Start by hovering your drone around eye level and getting used to the controls. And my fifth tip is also just sharing how I kind of understand the controls on the drone. I've seen on a typical controller, the left stick, the joystick, controls the altitude and the rotation. And you can push it up to have the drone climb, pull it down to have the drone go this way, and if you turn it left to right, the drone spins on the axis this way or this way. The right stick controls the X-plane movement this way. Everything along the flat X-plane. It moves the drone forward, it moves the drone back, it can go right, left. Keeping the drone at whatever altitude you had set with your left stick, your right stick is going to move it this way.